Hetty Green, born Henrietta Howland Robinson in 1834, though some sources say 1835, in New Bedford, Massachusetts, is often cited as one of the most miserly and eccentric millionaires in American history. She became known as the Witch of Wall Street due to her sharp financial acumen and extreme frugality. She came from a wealthy Quaker family and learned about finance and business from her father. Hetty inherited a substantial fortune from her father and aunt, which she skillfully grew through conservative and astute investments. In 1867, Hetty married Edward Henry Green, who was also a millionaire. Despite their combined wealth, Hetty insisted on a prenuptial agreement to protect her assets. Hetty Green was known for her extreme frugality. She was famously known for wearing one black dress until it was completely worn out. It's said she would sew her own undergarments and did not change them for years. She avoided spending money on luxuries and even necessities. Hetty often lived in cheap accommodations and moved frequently to avoid establishing a permanent residence and incurring property taxes. Hetty was notorious for her miserly approach to food. She often ate pies that cost only a few cents and collected leftover cakes and broken biscuits from grocery stores. She was also known to argue for a free bone for her dog daily. Her refusal to spend money extended to healthcare. The most famous story is about her son Ned's leg, which eventually had to be amputated because she delayed seeking proper medical treatment to save money. Hetty frequently engaged in legal disputes over money and debts, and she often represented herself in court to avoid legal fees. Known for her extreme thriftiness, Hetty refused to use hot water to save on heating costs and avoided medical expenses whenever possible. Tragically, Hetty Green suffered a stroke following a quarrel with her maid over a wage increase. She passed away on July 3, 1916, in New York City at the age of 81. Hetty Green is listed in the Guinness Book of World Records as the most stingy person in the world. Despite her miserly ways, Hetty was an astute financier. At her death, she left an estate valued at over $100 million, a testament to her investment acumen. Hetty Green remains a cultural icon, often cited in discussions about extreme frugality and financial prudence. Hetty Green's life is a fascinating study of contrasts. Despite her vast wealth, she lived a life marked by extreme frugality and eccentricity. Her financial acumen allowed her to grow her fortune significantly, yet her unwillingness to spend money on even basic comforts made her a legendary figure in the annals of American finance and eccentricity.